Welcome YouTube, it's Buggy Production. I'm back and I want to show you guys something. I pulled the engine open. I can see the rotor right now and I'm about to finish pulling it out to see what's wrong with it. There was coolant coming out, but also nothing looks rusty or anything. So I think it should be an easy, simple rebuild, but I'm about to show you guys. I gotta finish opening all the ports and the housings. This just broke? Oh wait, no. Did it break? Nah, it didn't break. For mine, it did not break. Alright, there we go. One more housing off. What's up everyone? My lighting is kind of bad, but this is the outro. So next video I should be putting the engine back together. I lost a couple Apex seals, so I have to go to the junkyard and find some because I'm not buying new ones. I have no time for that. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching the video. Appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Appreciate it.